Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another update, guys. Here, sponsored by Ibarra Lending Team. I'm here with Billy Fairchild from Consumers Title. How are you, buddy?
I'm doing great, my friend. Thanks for having me on.
You. We see each other at all these events. Obviously, Gene puts out these great networking things, and I know that Fermin reached out to you about coming in, and good to have you and talk a little bit about what your thoughts are on why, obviously, you're a title rep and certain things that make sense that people need to worry about when they're getting title insurance.
Well, first of all, I appreciate having me on, and I love title. Title insurance is really important to have in a real estate transaction for many reasons. Reason number one, title insurance is there to protect the borrower during the transaction, right? We want to make sure that when the property is transferred over to the new owner, that they don't inherit anything negative recorded against the property, such as a lien or a judgment, you know? So our big thing is to make sure that when they take over the property, they don't inherit anything negative, and they know exactly what's recorded against it. One situation, for example, there was a transaction many moons ago where we closed on a transaction, and eventually a judgment did pop up from the previous owner. Now, in this situation, the person who holds the judgment, they could file a claim against the property, and then the buyer would be stuck with that payment, right? It's on their title. It could be like $10,000, $20,000, and then the new owner is like, wait a minute, this isn't for me, this is from the previous owner. But that's when title insurance will step in and say, don't worry, we'll cover that for you. So that's one of the main reasons why you want to have title insurance.
And title insurance, for those of you that don't know, is when you, for example, purchase a home, that policy will stay in place up until you refinance it. And then there's a new policy issued based on that new lien.
Correct. And then, keep in mind, even if you don't refinance it, your title insurance policy is there for as long as you own the property.
Right.
Exactly. Sorry. For as long as you own the property, which is really nice. And the great thing about title insurance is not like regular car insurance or life insurance or anything other insurance. It's just a one-time payment that you pay at the end of the transaction. You know, you have a seller's policy that's based off of what the house is selling for, and you have the buyer's policy that's based off of what the loan amount is.
Right. So that's where you see when you're purchasing a home, when it says lender's title policy. So great information, Biddy. I know that a lot of people kind of freak out about all these extra charges that they see on these estimates, but this is an important one.
Yes.
This will protect you in the long haul, so you definitely need it, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, Billy.
Thank you.